Wait, nobody's gotten first yet. I thought Angel did. I love. Oh! Oh, it's because oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry guys. Okay, ready? 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 Okay, go for it. Hey. Okay. Okay. I feel like that kind of doesn't count, but we'll take it. We'll take it. And then but no streak will come from this one, okay? No streak will come from this one. Okay, hold on guys. Also, hi Time, hi Twinkie, hi Turing, hi Sputnik, hi Love, hi Rython, and also hi uh, Angel. Okay, we're gonna see how long baby sleeps tonight. I'm not very confident. Just just saying. Just saying. Okay, so we are going to let me make sure you guys can see. Also guys, need it need to get your opinion. I was gifted. I haven't started it yet, okay? I haven't started it yet. So my sister-in-law knows I love puzzles, right? Right? So I was gifted this. It is a puzzle advent calendar. So all of this, right? I'm debating on if I should record myself opening each one, kind of like the influencers do. But I don't have my phone set up right now to record it. But yeah, would you guys be interested in seeing what this is? Wait, why can't you put it together? So I have a whole bunch of puzzles right now. Hi, Keto. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of puzzles right now. Oh, is it one of the 12 feet ones? So I have like this mini puzzle from Odd Pieces. I actually have 3 of them. And then yeah, my hair is wet. I didn't even bother blow drying it today. But yeah, I have um this one, and then I also have 2 of these from Japan. They're like tiny mini. The pieces are like that big. 48,000. Is it the Ravensburg like the like literally 12-foot one? They also have one that has I think 70,000 pieces and 120,000 pieces. But yeah, so I want to open this, but I also want to do content with it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Anyways. Ooh. I do love me Disney. Okay, so it is Pi Test XV, or was it VX? It was VX. Okay, so VX, and then hold on. Um, 5 passed. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay, not gonna lie, I wanted to get that one. They also have one like it's of the sea. I I think that one was a 70,000 one, and or was it 100? Anyways, I wanted that one, but my ex convinced me not to get it. And I'm glad because I actually have a whole bunch of puzzles that I haven't put together. Um, you should look up Twinkie if you want good quality puzzles. You should look up P2 puzzles, Pintoo, and then also T. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Also, who's it? Who makes them? Who makes them? Penyo. Penyo also makes them. So here, look at. Yeah. Yeah. So I really like those. Pintu is also, I think they are like sister companies. And then this is, was this Tenyo or was this Pinto? Who is this? Oh yeah, back then this was $6 from Japan. So yeah, this is really cute. Did I see it or is it going to? So Totoro. So I have two. It's small though. It's like that small. So I got my sister-in-law two of them, and those came with a stand. The two I have don't have a stand. Okay, so what is... Okay, so I need to figure out what I ended with. File contains... We are on task 2, part 2. Read data from... Okay. JSON in... Okay, so we're gonna do... Hold on. Okay. Also, I'm gonna be eating chocolate. Today was a rough day with Baby Bunny. Like really rough. I about lost it at her a couple of times. Um, First she was up since 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Okay, guys, 5 a.m. And then she would not go back to sleep. And then she would not leave the house. Would not leave the house. And then I threatened to leave without her. And then she had a meltdown. And then she had a meltdown. And then 30 minutes later we finally got out of the house. And then we went to where we were going, had some fun, but oh my goodness, like she was grabbing everything that she was not supposed to be grabbing. And then like they have a gravel walkway, and then she literally was dragging her feet and making like these two lines through the path. And like I had to tell her to stop that too, right? Because the worker like was just looking at us like I had to tell her to stop that, and I had to smooth it back out. And then I had to bring her to the bathroom with me, and she announced my business to a full restroom of women. That was also fun. Uh-huh. And what else? Oh, she wanted to walk, then she didn't want to walk, then she wanted to walk. So I don't use a stroller. Um, I don't use a stroller at all. I honestly, we gave our stroller away and we have a travel stroller that we never use. I haven't used a stroller with baby bunny since she was like less than 3 months old. No, actually, no, I take that back. 5 months old. I want to say 5 months old because my sister-in-law got married and I used a stroller during that time. But as soon as she was mobile, yeah, no. So we don't have a stroller. And so she went it up and down, up and down, up and down. Um, but the best part was today, guys. She decided to lay down in the middle of the street in a parking lot, in a busy parking lot, too. Busy, okay? There were cars. There were cars going. And she decided to lay down in the middle and would not let me pick her up, would not get up, and that was the point that I about lost it. Yeah. It's been a day, guys. So, chocolate. I also bought cake, but I didn't bring it up here, and I'm probably gonna just keep it for tomorrow. But yeah. So, chocolate, guys. Anyways, I'm supposed to name it. What am I supposed to name? JSON employee. Equal. Optional employees. Also, who here has T-Mobile? Did anyone get the blanket? So I was like, "Oh, I kind of want it, but not really." And then I decided, "Okay, I'm gonna try and get it." And apparently all of the T-Mobiles in the area are completely like they did not have it. And it seemed like a pretty good blanket. Yeah, so T-Mobile has T-Mobile Tuesdays where they sometimes give away things like a couple months ago they gave away a pickleball paddle. They've given away socks, they've given away beanies. The blanket looked so soft and so thick. And then they've given away I'm trying to think of what else. They gave away like a plug-in flashlight as well, which was pretty useful. Um And then, oh, they gave away insulated insulated gross grocery bag, not a lunch bag, but like a grocery bag a while ago, and that also was super popular. I don't think I've ever heard a voice stream. Is the blanket 5G? It's Sherpa. Apparently the blanket was Sherpa. T-Mobile Day blanket. Let me see if I can't find somebody who posted a picture. I mean, uh, it kind of looks cute. Kind of looks cute. I don't know how long this stream is gonna. Was it the 8900? 8900? And then is my stream back? Hi, Two Oak. Did that work? Oh, I forgot to print it. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to do task 2. Oh, wow. Task. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, guys. Like, well, okay, okay. Keeping my fingers crossed. Keeping my fingers crossed. Dropped frames. Back 0%. So maybe we're good. Maybe we're good. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. Um, and concat method. Okay, so concat data, more data, ignore index. Okay, so concat. So we are going to do they want us to do more employees equals pd dot and cat cat data more data. And this would be concat, this would be who into the data frame loaded from the CSV file, which would be past 2 employees. So I think we're good. I think we're good, guys. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, and then we're going to combine data frame and run the tests. Okay, and then we're gonna print more employees. Going to switch down here. Oh, and then we're going to index ignore ignore equals true. I think. No. What was it? Ignore index. Ignore index. Ignore index. Okay. And then we're going to run the test. 7 passed. Perfect. Perfect. It looks like, okay, so how's it looking, guys? Is it looking okay? Also, at some point, I passed 3,200 followers on Twitch and did not even realize it. So, yay! Thank you, guys! Thank you for following, Yodani. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Okay. Task 3. Going to do. I know I don't need this, but I think I just would rather have this. Okay. Use the head method. Assign the first 3 rows of the variable first 3. Okay, so task part 1. So this would be first 3 equals more employees dot head. Right? First 3. So it'd be print first 3. Just kidding. What did I do? Okay. That. First 5. Okay, so I need to... Okay, hold on. So I'm actually gonna hit a focus mode, guys, really quick. I want to see how much I can get done tonight as quick as I can. As quick as I can. Oh, all I have to do is put 3. I knew this. I knew this. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to do task part 1. Part 2, wow. Okay, and then this is going to... So this should be Eve and Frank. And 2. Perfect. Okay, and then task B3. Get the shape of the data frame. Get the shape of the data frame. Assign the shape of the more employees. So, employee shape equals more employees shape. Shape. A. Okay, so print and concise. Okay, so print a concise summary of the data frame using an info method to insert and non-null counts. Okay, so let's see. And passed. Okay. Okay, and then data cleaning. Okay, so create a data frame from dirty data CSV and assign it to the variable dirty data. So we're going to do with open. Why am I drawing a blank on how to read a CSV? Okay, CSV read as employee CSV. Okay. Wow. Okay. With open dirty data.csv read as data reader equals csv.reader. Right? Hold on, guys. Now I'm like questioning myself. Oh my gosh. No. I can just do this. What am I doing? It's like dirty data equals pandas dot CSV reader or reader CSV? Read CSV. dirty data.csv. Okay. And print it and run the test. Create a copy of dirty data in clean data. So we're gonna print dirty data. Okay, and then we're going to also do clean data equals dirty data.copy. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be. Oh no, my focus mode timer is dead. Okay. When I use pandas for CS. Good to know. Good to know. Okay. Clean data. Okay, so now we're going to do, oh wait, this is part 1. Oh my gosh, Boba is going to wake baby before I even have a chance to like get started. Part 2. Okay, remove any duplicates. I remember how to do this, but I don't at the same time. So this would be drop duplicates. So clean data dot drop duplicates. Do I have to hold on? Clean data. So I'm actually a little curious. Okay, so we have Bob. I'm curious if do you guys hear Boba in the monitor? Okay, so I do have to save it. Okay, so there we go. Okay, okay. Moving her. Removing the baby monitor. My gosh. Sorry, guys. I don't know why she's going mad right now. Hi, Anan. How are you? Okay, is that a little better? Is that better though, guys? Let me know, please. Hold on. Oh my god. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing, guys? Okay. Thanks, Turing. Okay, so that... Okay, so how would we handle... missing values? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me look at this. So how do they want us to handle missing values? Like, what? Okay, hold on. Task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. Age. Okay. I can't. I need to keep the volume up, otherwise I can't hear baby if she wakes up and I need it in front of me. Okay. But can anybody wait, like what does it mean? Because right now it's saying not a number, right? For no, but like I don't get, so it's saying handle non-numeric numbers, but how am I supposed to handle missing values? Is not a number considered a missing value? But I'm looking, so okay. So here's the thing. This is the data I have, right? Or the CSV, and right now it's telling me not a number already. So I have all of these that are numbers. So I don't understand, for missing value, not a number is technically a null value, right? Hi, Chen Pro, welcome in. Number 5, film missing. But so what am I supposed to put, I guess? So I'm seeing this, pandas to numeric with errors equals coerce. And then I did notice that on the tests right here. But what do I want to do? I mean, put not available, I guess. Wait, it does? It says Filna? Oh, okay. So I'm only on 3 though. So I have to but I have to first pass this test. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what they mean by handle the missing values. So I think that's where the error course. And then Keto, I'm not ignoring you. I just don't allow outright code. Oh, whoops. Okay, anyways. So can anybody explain to me? Okay. So disregard the handle the missing value. Okay, so that was what I was assuming. That handle like the missing numbers. But I guess that makes sense if we're gonna fill in the missing numeric numbers for age anyways, then there technically are no missing values right now, right? Okay. So we are going to do... We're gonna do... Okay, so I'm kind of curious though, because I did see this. Does this... Okay, that works too. So can't I just do this? That drop duplicates up here. Okay, I won't though. I won't because yeah. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Okay, and then and no worries, Keto. I'm going to... Oh my gosh, Boba's kind of driving me nuts right now. Okay. H, right? This is H, yeah. Equals PD dot to numeric. To numeric. Okay, oh my gosh. This would be clean data age, comma, errors equals coerce. Okay, so numeric. This will convert any... Okay. Okay, and then handle print and run tests. Should be 13 tests now. Age numeric. Okay, test salary numeric. Okay, so we're going to... Replace placeholders with, okay, so the same thing. Same thing. Task for, so this, yeah, part 4 is basically the same thing as age, which would be salary equals CTD to numeric, clean data, salary, errors, close. Oh, earth. Why can't I not spell? $14 pass. Okay, so now we're going to do fill in the numeric, fill age, which the mean and salary. Fill age. Hold on. Fill age with the mean. Oh, okay. So I find the mean of all of the other ages, and then I find the median of the salary, and I fill those in for the not a number. Okay, got it. So ignores the not a number values during the calculation. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we are going to task 4, part 5. Okay, so we're gonna find age mean equals clean data dot or age dot mean, right? Okay, and then we're also going to do salary median equals clean data salary. Is this easy? As easy as that? Okay. And then now we're going to use in the FILNA, which I have to look up. Pandas. Okay, so FILNA method is used for replacing missing or null values. FILNA 0. Hold on. With a dictionary. Oh, okay. So it's just the data frame column dot FILNA and then the median. Okay, so we're gonna do clean data age equals clean data age dot fill na. Then we're going to fill it, right? Yeah, and then we're gonna fill it with the age mean. Technically, I could do this one line. Should I do it one line? Should I? No, it's fine. I'll make it easy for myself to read for now, just in case I have to go back and look at it. Okay, and then I should be print. Yeah, because if I do this in one line, it's going to be clean data, clean data, clean data. And I think if I go back and look at it, I'm going to... I'm going to just make a note. Okay, and then print clean data. Oh, wait, I want to make sure that it's an int, right? Okay, so I want to make sure that it's an int. Okay, how... Too numerical. Okay, so... After converting columns to int with error handling. What does downcast mean? Downcast. Okay. So we're gonna do downcast equals I don't think that worked. That worked. That didn't work. Now. Hi, Exotic. No, I did not. I did not do Learn with Leon. I know Leah did. But I think like when I heard about it, I was already pretty deep into Python. So I kind of wish I had done Learn with Leon because it seems like a lot of the people that did Learn with Leon are working now. But I was also pregnant. So it was a little bit hard to commit at that time. Okay, this is really bugging me. 2 numeric error. I think I need to map it, right? With downcasting. Okay, as type is simple direct. Okay. 2 numeric. The idea missing, you can handle an Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's passing the tests. So I think it's just more of my issue. Yeah, I think it's more of my own issue of how I don't like how the floats look, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. And you're working now, right? Yeah. See, I think, okay, there we go. There we go. And then 15 passed, 1 failed, higher date. Okay, I think that's the last one. I think it was at the end of 2021, right? Okay, so I started learning in 2022, beginning of 2022. And then I heard about Learn with Leon. So that was the first cohort, I think, 2021, right? And then he had a second cohort, which is when I heard about it. But I was already knee deep into Python at the time. And again, I wish I had gone into that, but yeah. Should have, would have, could have, right? Ask part 6. Um, and we're gonna do 2 date time. Gonna do 2 date time. This would be clean data. And then this is date. Okay. Clean data date equals dot to date time. What am I doing? Clean data date. Okay, and then we're going to print clean data. No, okay, so key value error. Higher date. Higher date. Hi, Loopy. Welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. Shout out at the... How was your stream today? What were you working on? Please share. That's good. GD script, is that Godot? And are you just starting your I know how to speak. I know how to speak, guys. Are you just starting your coding journey, or because I see you are into Pokemon trading game? Want to make a trading card game. Oh, awesome! Congratulations! That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you like puzzles, I think you will enjoy coding. Yeah, I think you'll enjoy coding if you enjoy puzzles and whatnot, because I honestly love coding. Like, it's frustrating, but I think it's so interesting and I love being able to build things. But yeah, that is so cool. That you are learning to code so that you can build your own trading card game. So is it going to be based off of like is it going to be based off of a like an already known, I'm going to use the word franchise, so like Pokemon or I can't think of any other franchise. Super Mario, or are you going to create your own characters and whatnot? And so you're also probably going to be doing the art too, huh? And what made you decide that you wanted to program your own trading card game as well? Okay, I know. Oh, Lorcana. That's another trading card game I know of. I know what Marvel is, but I don't know what Marvel Snap is. Hearthstone, I kind of know what it is. That's Warcraft based, right? Right? Okay, okay. Thanks so much for the follow change exception. So I played WoW back when I was a baby streamer. That was my original niche genre. And then I got into coding and look where I am now. But that's awesome. Oh my gosh. But I want to hear why you decided like you wanted to build your own. Yeah, I think WoW and Hearthstone are completely different genres of games, even though they follow the same lore. I think they're completely different, like, feels. WoW was a time sink. It was so much fun, but it was a time sink and I was so mean to myself back then. I had these ridiculous expectations of how high I would rank and everything. That is awesome. Okay, so as a new programmer, I want to hear your thoughts on AI. If are you going to utilize AI to help you make your are you going to utilize AI to help you make I really know how to speak. To make your to help you code, or are you going to try and like just dive in and like wade through everything by yourself? Um so for context, I tend to try to avoid AI. I have nothing against the people who utilize it in their own um learning, but for me, what? No. No. I don't care if you want to use AI for your learning, for your projects. I don't care. You know, it's not my business. But I personally think I learn better without using AI. Okay, I like your viewpoint. I resonate with that. I resonate with that. Yeah, AI is a tool. And like I said, if you want to use AI, that's not on me. It doesn't affect me, you know? AI everything. Oh my goodness. I resonate with that. I agree. Okay. You might want to use Dave first alongside this. You know, hold on. Let me see. To date time, higher date. Errors. Errors. I forgot errors. There we go. Not a time, not a time, not a time. Oh, those are times. Okay, we have to change. Okay. Okay, okay. So we have to change this. No worries. Thanks so much for the raid. I appreciate it, Loopy. Have a good night. Get some rest. Take care. Hydrate. And again, thanks again. And I will try and pop into one of your to I disclaimer, I do have a kid and I'm not on the computer as much anymore, like at all, except for when I'm studying. So, but yeah, I avoid AI just like I want to ask another human stuff. I mean, I would ask another human engineer to explain something to me. But I feel like when AI explains something to me, it feels very convoluted or like bloated with, or else like it doesn't, half the time it doesn't answer my question. And maybe it's because my prompts are really bad, but yeah. Yeah. I agree with that. I agree with that, Asher. Okay. Okay, guys. Um, I need to format this. Okay, what was the error? It gave me an error. It said something about you might want to use day first. Okay, hold on, guys. Gets tedious. Poor line. I agree. I agree. So I get that exotic, but I don't know. Like, it almost, I mean, it feels like it's telling me stuff, but it's almost information overload sometimes. Like even when I ask for just something very specific, then it answers it wrong and I know it's wrong. And so then I'm like, okay, wait. And then I'll point it out and then they'll be like, you're absolutely right. And then go into this long thing. So like even though I had put stipulations down on being very concise, like it kind of goes off on a tangent if it doesn't answer it correctly the first time. Okay, so hire date. Okay, so I want to format. Okay, we're gonna try the format. Codes year. Okay, infer date time format. Okay, let's try that. Infer date time format equals true. Errors equals errors. No, still not. Like nice. Maybe I am. Well, actually, no. I probably am using it wrong. But I also still feel like being told what to do without actually doing it. Because I guess another thing is it so I think my problem with AI is like I ask a question and then it gives me the answer instead of kind of like leading me to come to my own conclusion. I guess that would be a better um explanation of the issues I have with AI. That it ends up giving me a convoluted answer and I'll have to try again, but this course does have a strict no AI um rule to it. So I do want to stay I do want to stay true. Oh yeah. Yeah, my friend telling me all the stories about his interns. And then Alberta Tech does some intern AI meme videos, which are pretty funny as well. And then also, who's the tech roasters or so format. Oops, that didn't work. Passing. You might want to try day first. Okay. So let's read this error. I mean, remember, like, I've talked about this before. I still feel like AI is not necessarily the whole idea of AI taking over coding jobs is not necessarily going to be a long-term solution because there has to be people that know what the code, why the code is wrong. And I think right now, with everyone hyping up AI, that AI is going to do everything, yeah, it's going to, it's going to be an interesting future in, I would say, like 8 years or so. Maybe not right away, but okay. I'm Pandas. That assistant at. Okay, so format. What does implement the POC mean? Okay, so is my focus mode still up? I'm gonna actually restart my focus mode really quickly, guys. Um, so that I can figure this out. Okay, restarting. Be right back. Okay. Okay. So some of them have year first, and some of them have month first. And then some of them use dashes. Okay. So we're gonna do errors equals source. I want to see. Okay, so when they have dashes, it's the dashes that are screwing this up. So I need to replace the dashes with I need to replace. So we're going to first. Okay, so we're going to first do clean data, hire date equals clean data dot hire date. Oh, wait. Dot string dot replace dash. Okay. Okay, so we got. Okay, so now we also have to think of infer date time format equals true. I think that was wrong. Infer date time format. Infer date time format true. Okay, no. So right now we have. Am I even supposed to be? Hold on. Hold on. Am I making this overcomplicated again? And run test. Okay, so we also have to format this. So we're going to do, this is year first. Okay. So, okay. So we can do Vilna. Okay. Vilna. So hire a place. Vilna. Proof of concept. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. If you could suggest, yeah, entry edits. I am trying to become a data engineer right now, so I don't know what the best course is for finding a job, but right now I am in the Code the Dream program. And I'm enjoying it so far. It's very interesting. There's a lot to learn. And here, these are the courses for data engineering for um Code the Dream, and I'll paste it here as well. So I'm in the Python Essentials class right now, and then next semester or trimester, it'll be Python, AI, and cloud computing, and then there's a practicum with a small group of people, and yeah. So what am I trying to do right now is the dates themselves, if you look at it, um, so the dates themselves are in different formats, and I'm trying to convert them to date time. But the problem is some of them have the year first, and some of them have the month first. So I already converted the dashes to slashes. So that itself is, oh wait, no. Why is that still not? Hold on. Hold on. What just happened? Uh, so why is this one not? So 2019, 7-Eleven, and 3. So why is this one also not changing? I mean, I know I should not assume, but I am assuming that the month is first and then the day is next. That's my assumption. Um, but what happened here? Okay, wait. Ken, I don't think I understand you what do you mean, how do I store the data as a dictionary? Are you talking about like putting the dates into a dictionary? I think I just got bit by a bug. Oh. Uh, Okay, let me see what the... Oh, apparently my hire date time passed. So I'm making it more complicated than it has to be? Apparently? How do you store the data? I have it in a data frame right now. So I have it in a Pandas data frame right now. So what if I don't have... It still passes. Interesting. Interesting. I mean, right now the dirty data is stored in a CSV, and then I've read it and I have it stored in a data frame. Is that like, I guess, is that what you're asking? I have it stored as I'm cleaning it under clean data. And then this is a copy of the dirty data. Okay, so apparently I don't even need to... Okay. Anyways, guys, apparently I don't need to worry about the fact that these dates are not showing valid. Okay, then. Okay. I'm not gonna stress about it right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna stress about that. If it's passing the tests, if they come back and tell me, hey, no, then I'll talk, but for now, it's fine. Okay, so strip extra white spaces and standardize name and departments as uppercase. Okay, so dirty data. We have a strip and then department. I remember that there was a way to do this. I would only if it's for that's fun. Be passed on to. Wait, I used Flask for my backend. Okay. Anyways, okay. Okay, so we're gonna use strip. So we're gonna do clean data name equals, and we're gonna just strip, and then we're also going to do string dot script. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. There we go. Do I need that though? Let's find out. Let's find out if I actually need that. Okay, I do not need that. Okay. Okay. And then same thing, clean data. The department. Do you need to make the first letter uppercase? Yes, I need to, but capitalized does that. Otherwise, I have to pull the index from every single value. While this one just... And then also some of the data is all uppercase. Or else like back here, there's an uppercase G, but everything else is lowercase. So capitalized takes care of that. One failed. Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, so just kidding. All of them have to be upper. All of them have to be upper. So 17 passed, 1 failed. Test hire date. Okay. So, yeah. I need... Okay, so... I do still have to do this. Okay, so no missing age or salary. Test hire date. Okay. Yeah, so I do need to do the Filna thing and all that good stuff. Yay! Yay! Okay, so I have to fix this one and this one, which is... I'm not quite sure why this one is not... This one, I know why. Okay, so let's do Filna. Okay, so... Okay, so infer date time format equals true. Okay, so we're gonna infer date time format equals true. Okay, and then now we have to do the film for that. So we're gonna do... Okay, fill by trying another format. Let's fill na. Okay, so... Flask is a small project. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. But yes, Node does seem industry standard. Just like React seems industry standard for front end. Okay, so I'm curious right now though. So why is this? That work. Go. Okay. So we're just gonna do the Filna. Okay, so this is infer datetime format. Okay, so now we're going to do clean data higher. Oh my gosh. Higher date equals panda dot to date time clean data higher date and then we're going to Filna. Oh wait, what am I doing? So this is going to be clean data higher date clean data higher date dot Filna format equals percent month percent day actually day first equals true. I'm missing something. No. Problem with that. Okay. So df date column. Okay. It's because air date Parse. Oh, errors. Oh, wait, I can do format. Hold on. Format equals mixed. Mixed. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Do I need this then? Hold on. Do I need this? No, we don't even need that. Okay. There we go. Format equals mixed. There we go. Okay. How do I reply to this? Okay, so okay. Hooray! What is mindset? The field of software development is constantly growing and changing. New programming languages, libraries, tools, and best practices are coming out. What is possible in technology is fueled by curiosity and open-mindedness. For this week's mindset prompts, we're going to focus on developing practice of learning as a way to grow and evolve your technical skills. In your own words, what does it mean to be curious about something? What is one thing that you were curious to learn about more recently? How did you learn more about it? What's one practice you've learned in your first few weeks that you don't know the why behind? How can you find out the why? Hi, Adam. Welcome in. Okay, let's look at. I'm not going to submit just because it does actually have my name and everything in the submit. So, oh, actually, let's first. How do I check my branch? Let me check my branch quick. Okay. It would be get branch. Okay, so get branch. Okay, so I'm in assignment 4. Okay, so we're gonna do get add all, and we're gonna do get commit message. What is my message? Assignment 4, right? This was assignment 4, right? Right? Right. Yeah, assignment 4. Okay. We're gonna have to. Okay. Assignment 4. Okay, and then we're gonna do going to create a interesting. So the dream homework updated now. Going to a pull request. There. Create a pull request. Okay. Okay. So I think we are good tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna submit this and then I'm gonna I have to wake up early. I'm surprised baby actually stayed asleep. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. Hopefully she doesn't wake up at 5 a.m. We have to get up at 7 tomorrow, but yeah. Hopefully she doesn't wake up at 5. But okay, guys. There's somebody I know. I don't really feel like being social right now. So we're gonna just end I'm tired and I want to get the submission done. But I appreciate you guys all so, so, so much. I'm going to, oh, we were supposed to look at assignment 5. Assignment 5, data wrangling and manipulation. Data selection on the Kaggle site. Click on the plus button. Okay, so we are going to be doing this on Kaggle. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. Okay, I need to do this off stream first to make sure that I'm not about to dox myself. Because I don't know if my name will be shown or anything like that. But yeah, thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you guys maybe tomorrow. If not, yeah, I will I'll keep you. You guys are awesome. Have a good night. Thanks again, guys. Bye.